If your TickTick reminders are not triggering on time, missing alerts, or showing up late, don't worry. This is usually caused by notification settings, battery restrictions, or sync issues. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TickTick reminder issues step by step in 2026. First, open the TickTick app and check your reminder settings. Make sure reminders are enabled for your tasks and that you've set the correct time for each alert. Next, go to your device settings and confirm that notifications are allowed for TickTick. If notifications are blocked, reminders will not appear at all. Now, check if Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. If it is active, your reminders may be silenced, so turn it off or allow exceptions for TickTick. If you are using Android or iOS, make sure TickTick is allowed to run in the background. Background restrictions can delay or stop reminders from working properly. Next, check battery optimization settings. Turn off battery saver or exclude TickTick from optimization so it can send reminders on time. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect time settings can cause reminders to trigger at the wrong time or not at all. Now, update the TickTick app to the latest version. Older versions may contain bugs that affect reminder notifications. If the issue continues, force close the app and reopen it, or log out and log back in to refresh your account sync. You can also try reinstalling the app if nothing else works. This will reset corrupted files that may be affecting reminders. Finally, test your reminders by creating a simple task with a short alert time to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's how to fix TickTick reminder issues. Yeah, in most cases, adjusting notifications, battery settings, and background permissions will solve the problem quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.